Hey guys. Alright, so, this video is just going to be about factorials. Okay, so, we have a big word. Factorials. Alright, so, let's start off with the basics. What is a factorial? What is a factorial? Well, a factorial is just about, say you want to write 120 factorial. Well, what does that mean? What do I mean by that? 120 factorial is just 120 times 119 times 118. All the whole numbers right down to times 3 times 2 times 1. Now, say 3 factorial, that you could just write 3 times 2 times 1. But when it comes to huge numbers, though, you don't want to write all that, right? So you just use 120 factorial. Alright, so, that's what a factorial, though, is. N factorial equals n times n minus 1 times n minus 2, and then you just keep going down, subtracting 1 each time for all the whole numbers. Right down to times 2 times 1. Alright, so, what is a factorial actually useful for? This is a cool idea, it's fun, right? But what is it actually useful for? Alright, well, let's say this problem now, right? I think when I was like 11, I had this question. How many arrangements are there in a deck of cards, right? Well, how many... Alright, so first of all, how many cards are there in a deck? Well, there's 52, right? So 52. And then we'll just do 52 factorial. Okay. And then, well, I can just... What is 52 factorial?
The answer is 8065817. I'm not sure.
It's just over 8 times 10 to the 67. Okay, so, that's factorials, though. We can do a couple more problems. Alright, so how many apples, how many arrangements are there for 3 apples? We can do a much simpler problem. Are there for 3 apples? Alright? 3 apples. Okay, so, you just do 3 factorial, right? 3 times 2 times 1 equals, 3 times 2 is obviously 6 times 1, 6. But, we can even, in this case though, we can even just show it, right? We'll say A1, A2, A3. Alright, so A1, A2, A3 is 1, right? So that's 1. A2, A3, A1, that's also 1, so 2. A3, A2, A1, that's 3. A3, A1, A2, A2, A1, A3, and finally just A1, A3, A2. Alright, so there are 6 possibilities there. So, that's 1, and we can just do one more. How many possibilities are there to arrange? Are there to arrange 2 apples? Now, of course, this one's simple. But, alright, so 2 factorial equals 2 times 1 equals 2. But apple 1, apple 2, apple 1 is 1, and then apple 2, apple 2, apple 1, 1, and 2. And, that's the basics of factorials. Thank you.